Hello everyone. Today we'll show you how we can insert a text in VIM. At here you see my cursor is in the T letter. So now we have a I key. When you press I, it will insert the text before the current cursor. So let's move the cursor to the M here. So when I press I and I can type something, you will see that the something will be inserted before the M. It means that before the current cursor. If I want to insert after, I have A key. So now let's say that I move the cursor to the Y and I press A space, I get something here. So you see that the text will be inserted after the Y. And also I have also we have uppercase version, so that we have I uppercase. When you press I uppercase, it will move to the first line. It will move to the first sentence. Sorry, the first position of this sentence. It means that it will move to this T letter. So I say that my cursor is here. So now I press sh I uppercase, press Shift Y. Okay, you will see that the cursor will move to the beginning of the sentence, and the mode is transfer to insert mode. So now I can type the beginning of sentence. Okay, with the A, we also have a uppercase version. So now if you press uppercase A, it will move to the end of the sentence and you can insert some text. Okay, so now you shift A. Okay, you will see that the mode here is transferred to the insert mode and is the end of the sentence. Um, more cor- more accurate is after the end of the sentence. So I can type this is the end of this sentence. Okay, so we also have a O and O uppercase. So O will insert a text below the sentence. So now let's press O. You will see that the cursor will jump into the next line, the line below the current sentence, and the mode transfer to the insert mode. So now we can type something below. Okay, and back the cursor here. So we have a O with the uppercase version. So it means that we will insert uh, above the current sentence. So now I press Shift O. You will see that the cursor will jump onto the line above the current line, and the insert mode will and it will transfer to the insert mode. So now I will can type something above. Okay. In summary, we have Y insert a text before the current cursor. We have A insert the after the current cursor, and we have Y and A with the uppercase. So Y will jump to the beginning of a sentence, and you can insert a text. And with the A uppercase, the cursor will jump to the end of a sentence, and you can insert some text you want. And we have O and O uppercase. So O, you jump to the line below the current line, and you can insert a text. And with O uppercase, it will jump to the above of the current sentence, and you also can insert some text you want. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you feel that this video is good, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.